Okay guys, hi, it's Sunday today. It's Sunday today and I am coming from work right now. I went to work and I came back. I think it's like 2:30, so now I'm going to buy a washing machine because my clothes are dirty and I haven't washed them in a while. So I'm gonna go buy a sponono washing machine. I'll show you guys when I come back what it looks like. I'm excited for it. I saw it at Pick and Pay. I was actually gonna buy it on Take a Lot. Actually, I was planning to buy it on Take a Lot, but I then saw it on Pick and Pay because on Take a Lot it's cheaper. But I saw it on Pick and Pay, same price as the one on Take a Lot. So I was like, let's buy it. I cannot wait. I already bought a serve and a fabric softener. Let me show you. Okay, so I bought a fabric softener and I bought serve so I can wash and make my clothes smell nice. So yeah, right now I'm about to go. I am gonna go buy the washing machine. I'll be here in a few minutes, so you will see it when I get back. I'm excited. This is it. Look. Okay guys, I'm back. This was hard. Okay, I'm back and I'm back with the washing machine I said I was gonna get. Let me put you guys down. Oh my god, guys. This is it. Comes with this. I guess this is where you will dry your clothes and user guides. This is way too small. They said I should register here so that I can get an extra 1 year warranty, right? So I'm gonna do that right now, but I still remembered it. Hey, I'm gonna have to add more. Okay guys, let me talk about the dishwasher, sponono dishwasher that I just bought. I think it's perfect one. I think it's doing a pretty good job. Two, the only bad thing I don't like about it is this. Like, this is way too small. You know, it's really small. I wish it was a bit like this, like a bucket, so that I can stuff my clothes in. And then, you know, but it's too small. I don't think I'm just gonna have to keep going and going and going and going, so that kind of sucks. And I don't know, but what else do I want to say? I also want to say that I am happy with everything. I'm happy with everything. So far so good. Like, I'm happy with how it's working. I'm happy with how it's going. It takes a lot of clothes. I don't know if you guys saw, I'm almost done washing. I'm only left with one load, but I'm probably gonna split it into two because I can see that it's low-key struggling with this one. So I'm gonna split it into two, and then yeah, and then I'm gonna be done. And yeah, I don't know, it's very good. I think it's a good washing machine if you're washing for one person, not more than that. If you're washing for especially kids, I think if you also have kids and you're trying to wash for kids, I think it would work perfectly. But yeah, I don't have any complaints except for this thing is too small. This is really, really small. But other than that, I think everything else is perfect. This is supposed to be the one that is gonna kind of dry out the clothes a little bit. Yeah. Guys, I washed well with the machine. Everything is going well, but now it's time to spin, right? I don't know what I'm doing.